Yeah. Hi everyone. It's Evgeny Shvarov from InterSystems, and this is a video where we will test how to code InterSystems ObjectScript using Copilot. Okay. Um, Before we start, let's have some ideas on the setup. So I'm on a MacBook laptop. So I have Docker installed and Visual Studio Code installed with the ObjectScript InterSystems ObjectScript plugin. Basically, that's it. So, to get it started, let's go to InterSystems Open Exchange. We will need a template. Script. Yes, the simplest one. Go to GitHub. So, yeah, let's click use this template. Click create in the repository. This will be a Copilot. ObjectScript Copilot demo. Let it be public, okay. Oh no, private first. So GitHub creates a copy of repository for us. So let's have we'll copy the access to it and open VSCode, a new window, and get it cloned to our local disk. Okay, what do we have here? It's a very simple ObjectScript app. So with some Docker file. So let's just get it running. See if it's working. I have a Copilot option turned on for VSCode. Okay, let's check whether server is working. Yes, it's working. So we have IELTS Terminal 2024. Okay, so and let's see how it works. I will create a new folder with my name and subfolder like a Copilot, that package, and then a new file. Hello world CLS. And I can just type 3 slashes and Copilot suggests me immediately some help. So let's I just click tab to follow this, and yeah, we have class method say hello world. Now, yes, okay, so let's save it. So it was compiled, copy invocation, go here, right. Okay, so it doesn't return anything, so we can call it for undo. Yeah, hello world, we have it. So, but let's see what else we can do. So maybe Yes, I think it's working. Only issue we have, yes, that we placed it before the end of the class. So just move it here, copy invocation, right, boom. We need to compile it. All right. Of course, because we need to provide a parameter 5. Yeah, it's working. So, okay, of course, we need to add the parameters. In the same way, it introduced a new class set to numbers, so quit p1 plus p2. So what's wrong with that? Something is wrong. No, it's compiled quite well, so we can call it, and 2.2 will be 4. Yeah. But maybe let's ask for something more serious. For example, yes, it already suggests something that follows the logic, but we want a class method that returns current date and time. Why not? Why not? Yeah. It's working. Copy location. Yeah, it's working too. Okay, let's do something that is related to globals. Yeah, because this is one of the foundational structures that help us to store data in Iris and retrieve data and manipulate storage. So let's create a new file, like org globals C++. Yes, so, and we will ask Copilot class method that sets a value to a global to a global. And it accepts two parameters. This is, I see, is kind of wrong, so it's working, but it's not really what is expected. But so let's create something more general from arbitrary global. Yeah, though, it's from node actually. Yeah, from a specific global dollar goal. What if we class method introduce class method that adds 10 nodes to a global with random values. It's okay, but I would let's see if it's working. Do that, and let's see. Let's have a method that just will display the data. Why not? Very interesting. So it should be 100, right? Yes, of course, it needs to be compiled. Some error here. Okay, let's go. It says kind of not super accurate, but the direction is right. Okay, let's create a method that returns data. Very creative. By the way, why not? We get now some. Yes, but I think we want, we would want, let's see how it works. It needs some compilation. Maybe it's true. Let's use using dollar order. This is almost good, yes, but set note. No, it's good. It's good. Let's see how it works. Yeah, of course we need to compile. And yeah, works. So what's next? What about persistent classes? Let's create a new one. Persistent class. And here we will use this assistant feature, which you can call for with Command E. So I press Command E and have a Ask Copilot feature, and I'm asking it even with voice, by the way. Please create a class, persistent class with two properties, so name, and maybe the third age. We can accept this. So we have name and age. So okay, let's just add. Oh, yeah, we can ask. Add this name property too. Snail. It's mine English. Okay, we saved it. This is a persistent class. So let's add data. Maybe we cannot omit class method. Add random values. Add 10 random values. Okay. Okay. It's more or less good. Please change the method in a way so that names will be what? It just understood me. Yeah, this is amazing. Okay, let's see if it's working. So we'll need a method that returns all the data, right? Okay. Returns the records of the class. And prints it to terminal. Class. Okay. Change the method, please, so that it returns records to terminal. So it uses result set, which is deprecated. Please use SQL statement instead of result set. Oh my gosh. Let's see if it's working. Do. We need to save this. Here. I think we have more than. Okay, let's have a method that deletes everything. Okay. Okay. And that maybe. Okay. And then get all the records. Yeah. Quite well, yes. Oh, nice. So that, but usually we need some web applications. So let's build a REST API class. New file. Persistent REST. Okay, so how do we call this? Call this that. Create class that will provide get, put, and post method to create records in via REST API calls. Let's see how it works. So create something. Looks relevant, right? Okay, let's accept this. And also let's create add a method also that will return all the records via REST API. Oh my gosh, I don't know if it's working. Anyway. I think this will not work. So let's say like rerun. Maybe it will work. So it's not super creative, but okay. We can, of course, ask it to rewrite it then with SQL. Okay, now we will need to add add a route to support getAllRecords method. Looks good, yeah? Accept. Okay. Now we need to make it work as so we need a web application, literally. This is not what we can create via OpenAI yet, I believe so, but we can leverage module XML. Okay, so what we need here? So here we will need to change it like Copilot ObjectScript and put my name as like just not to mess with anyone else. Okay. This will be Shvarov Copilot. Yes. And here we need an example to add a REST API. So I'll go here, like templates, templates again, and REST API. REST API template. Just let's copy that and change. This will be Copilot. So this will be this. Okay. Working quite well. Maybe it will have authenticated access just to test everything. Okay. So the only issue with this is shows that it's kind of it looks good. Yeah, at least it compiles. Okay. Yes, we need to restart it so that the web application will be great. Also we would, yeah, yes, let's start it. Apparently we could do this even without restarting. Yeah. So let's refresh connection and open terminal. And what we would need to to check whether we have the application created. Yes, so what we need here, so we need to go to this format so that have applications. Yes, we have a Copilot application. All's good. Okay. So technically we can create records like in this class. Yeah, so add random values. So anyway, it's created because if we get all records, yeah, it's working. And so if we go to REST APIs, so we can check the map. Map says that slash records will be, this is what we need. Okay, so let's open management portal and just put Copilot records here. Okay, we have something. So method doesn't exist, get all records plus 9. Let's have some get all records plus 9. Yeah. Yes, of course there is no next to what we will have here, because this of course will be the instance of this class, right? Because it's opened, it opens this. It's very creative, but we will ask this, ask it to rewrite. Please rewrite using SQL. Let's see. Now again, very creative. Yeah, because most probably this all right, record. Yeah, maybe it's working already. Something else is going on. So we have some percent data. We need to provide rights to this user, so that we give this. We need to create a role. Let's go to system administration security, create role Copilot. Yes, and then go back to web applications. Yeah, but to give here like a Copilot this role and application roles, so Copilot has fine. Yeah. So, and we need to grant this role some scroll. Yeah, so this is nice. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we have these names listed from here. So this is what we have at the moment. So ObjectScript quite supported via Copilot, but this is some very creative approach, which is so you just need to know some specifics, but it can be a great help because a lot of what can be just generated.